Hello friends, this is Shehzad and you are watching Shehzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix slow iPhone problem after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Guys, there is many solution to solve this problem. First is close unused apps. Double click the home button or swipe up from the bottom on iPhone without a physical home button and swipe away unused apps running in the background like this. Open the shortcut and swipe up and you can see close it to fix your slow iPhone problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix often resolve performance issue. So firstly you can tap the settings here you can see general and scroll down and you can see shutdown. Tap on it. Here you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be turned off. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on back to fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is update to the latest iOS. So ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. So just simply go to settings to update your iOS and now find the general and tap on it. Here you can see software update. Tap on it. Checking for update, wait for a few seconds and now you can see tap on update now to update and install the latest iOS to fix your slow iPhone problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is manage storage. Check your storage space. If your iPhone is nearly full, it can show down. Go to settings, go to general and here you can see iPhone storage. Tap on it. Now you can see free up some space from here to fix slow iPhone problem. If this solution is also not working, then we move to another is clear Safari cache. If you use Safari, go to settings here you can find the Safari app. Tap on it, scroll to the down and you can see clear history and website data. Tap on it. Here you can see clear history. Tap on it and now you can see history is clear. Now if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is reset all the settings without losing any data. So just go to settings, again tap on general and scroll to the down and now you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Here you can see reset. Tap on it and now you can see reset all settings. Tap on it. Enter your passcode. After entering the passcode, you can pop up. Now you can see reset all settings. Tap on it to reset all settings without losing any data. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.